Hey guys, Lewis here again. Welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to do product research by doing the strategy called Storefront Stalking. But before I start, I want to invite you guys again to join my free VIP Amazon group where I do my free weekly coaching calls, and it's also a good place for Amazon sellers like you to network with other sellers. So with that said, here's the video for today, and we are going to start with picking one product that you've sold in the past, right? Or any online arbitrage product that you like. And then what we do is we go in Seller Amp, and then we go down under offers. And then under offers, I would pick a store with 100 ratings or less. So for example, this one, right? Breaking from adulting is the name of the store. Yeah, funny name by the way, breaking from adulting. So yeah, you click the store name right there, or FBA, right? It says right there FBA, and then you click on it, and then from here you are going to see a lot of other products that this person is selling. Yeah, so I would open up all these products, and then I would go down this list, and then for example this one, right? Or you know what, to make it easier, I would pick products with a max cost of about at least $10, right? To make it easier. And then from here, I would click on the Amazon product page and then click on the Google shopping page right there, or icon, I mean. And then once you're here, let's see, how much is this? So this product is $38.81, right? So here under max cost, so now I would find the same exact product, right, with a maximum cost of $20.15. And I'm using this number because it's just easier to find certain products with number, right? So you guys can look at the photos like real quick. So it's pretty obvious to see like which ones we're looking for, right? And then as you guys can find it, make sure that it's $20 and $15. Oh, I'm sorry. So once you guys find the product, make sure that the maximum cost is 2015, right? So this one is above 2015, so we'll skip it. This one is the exact same product, but it's above 2015, right? So we skip it. This one is above 2015. We skip it. Same with this, right? So I don't think it's here. Yeah, I don't see it here. Yeah, so I would just skip it right away to save us on time. And then here's another product. So again, open up the Amazon product page right there. And then, oh, wait a second. Yeah. And then open up the Google shopping page right there. And for this one, the max cost is $41, right? So we would look for the exact same product with a maximum cost of $41 or less. That's there. But it's over $41, so we skip it. This one's 91, so we skip it. 94. Oh, second. Yeah, I'm not seeing it. So skip it right away to save on time. And this one could work. Let's try this one. This one is below $10, but this should work still because it's it's enough. It has enough margins right there at $6. So let's try it. Again, maximum cost $6. I don't see it. Yeah, I don't see it. I don't see it. Okay, no. So skip it right away. Yeah, this seems to be a bad store, to be honest. So I would pick another store. So let's try this one right here, right? So again, I would pick a product or a seller with 100 ratings or less. Let's pick this one right here. Oh man, might be there. Sorry guys, hold on a second. Right there. And then we do the same thing, right? So we look for, we open up the Amazon page and then Google Shopping page. And then here the maximum cost for this product is $13.25. So we gotta look for the exact same product, and the price should be $13.25 or less. I mean, this one's close. I would check it out. It's from Mercari though, so this could be a used product, but we'll check it out anyway. So this one is $14.25, but then again, it's charging a $6.99 shipping fee, right? So it's not gonna work. It's not gonna work. Yeah, I don't see it. Yeah, no. Skip. Yeah, with this process, you got to be quick because it's very time consuming. So as soon as you don't see it, I would just skip it right away. So for this one, the max cost is $25.11. Okay, this one I think I see on their websites. Yeah, this one's on Walmart, right there. This one's on eBay also. Second, this one is 10-ounce grinder. Yeah, let's check it out. So 80393F. Is this the same one? Yeah, I think it's the same one, right? Yeah, so we plug in the cost $29.88. Should be good. Yeah, this one's looking good. So yeah, there you go, guys. This is how you find products for Amazon FBA stores doing this strategy called reverse storefront stalking. And I hope you guys got value from the video. And again, this is how you guys do it, right? You start with picking a listing that you like. So for example, this one, right? And then you go to a store where the store has 100 or less ratings, right? And then once you do that, you look at all the products on that store, go through each product and look for the supplier, right? And I hope you guys got value from the video. And again, if you guys haven't joined my free VIP Amazon group, I'm going to put the link in my description below. And that way you guys can join my free weekly calls and also network with other sellers. So with that said, I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.